we've done here is the dynamic vibrating wire analyzer is now displaying the data. This is a calibration. So what we've done is we've basically set all of the data, all of the gauges equal to 0. This is what the data looks like when it's auto-scaled. And now I'm going to apply a load to the cantilever beam. When we apply the load so that it scales, now what we see is the sensitivity of the gauges. The solid lines represent the vibrating wire data. The dotted lines represent the bonded foil data. You can also look at that as red and blue. So the red is the bonded foil data, the blue is the vibrating wire data. And if we zoom in on that, what we see is that the vibrating wire data is very consistent and very solid, and the bonded foil data is, the mean is useful, but there's a lot more spread in the data. What we're using here to observe this is the FastGraph utility in RTDAC, and so this can be replicated. And I'll go ahead and save this data set so that it is available for further analysis. But what I'll be doing with the rest of the data set and for the next few minutes, okay, so here we can see it again, and you can see the bonded foil data in red, the vibrating wire data in blue, and one thing to note in all of this data, or all of these data, is that the gauges that are used are not temperature compensated, neither the bonded foil nor the vibrating wire gauges. So you will see some drift in the data, but that's due to the lack of temperature compensation. So again, if we put a very light load on this, then we see the response.